In this lesson, we're going to talk about navigating a worksheet. So you can open any Excel document that you have that might have multiple rows of data. I've got one open called Contoso Employee Information or Info. It is one out of our lessons for our class. And I'm going to basically teach you some quick ways to navigate through your Excel spreadsheet. So right now I have my A1, it's actually A through D columns and through the second row of data selected because the person that made this, they merged the cells together so it's one big cell. But anyway, that's selected at the top. So Contoso Limited is selected at the top. So if I press the Control plus the End key, the END key on my keyboard, so Control End, it will take me to, on my document, it takes me to D27. It should take you to the very last cell of data in your spreadsheet. If you do the same thing with Home, Control plus Home key, it will take you all the way back to the very top or first cell of data in your spreadsheet. We can also go up to the name box. This is the name box here. And we can type in A3 and hit enter. And we'll take us to the cell named A3, which is our last name cell. If we also press the Control down arrow, it will take us to the last row of data in our spreadsheet. And if we hit it one more time, Control down, it will take us to the very last row available in Excel, which is 1,048,576. It's way down. Let's not try to scroll back up. Let's hit Control plus Home. It'll take us all the way back down. And I'm going to click Control down again. And that will take me to row 27. I'm going to do Control up, and it'll take me up to A3. The other thing you can do, you can use your scroll bar over here on the right, and it'll take you through your data that's available. You can also scroll at the bottom, left to right. And that's basically some of your shortcuts on your keyboard to navigate throughout your worksheet.